Sarap buhay ng nanay, guys. Ano na ngayon dito? Ay 10:52 ng gabi. At ang dalawang binata ay sa kusina. Bising-busy. Ang kuya, ang aming Louie Jr. ay nagluluto ng pancake. Ang aming Grayson ay nagluluto ng french fries. I don't know anong nangyari sa french fries. It's been an hour na. Di pa luto, di pa dinala sa customer.
No, this is like the third batch because he ate it all na.
Third batch na pala yan. Luto na yan, Grayson.
That's the first one.
Oh my God, I've been waiting here. Oh my God. Bunso, yung electric natin.
It's still the first one. It's
My
still the first one.
God.
Super speed. I don't know why it's not cooking though. Something. My arms hurt, bro.
Batang ito.
Oh, wait.
Yung batang ito, pag
It's
nagluluto,
overcooked.
kinakain din niya eh. Hindi nakakarating sa customer eh.
Because it was overcooked. That's why.
Overcooked.
So
yun.
don't employ Grayson in any fast food.
Don't employ.
In any fast food places. 'Cause
Don't employ Grayson sa fast food kasi kakainin.
he will eat all of your inventory.
Pwede niya na cashier lang yan. Di pwede sa kitchen.
He'll sneak the back and he'll eat it all.
Ay, nako.
Oh my god, overcooked. Sobra.
Alin? French fries na overcook? Pinaliguan mo na ng asin yan.
I like it like that.
Ay, finally guys, ang aking order na fries. Ano ba ito? Naka-zoom in? Ay, nako. Ang sarap!
Didn't even eat it yet.
Yes, you're
Ha? Ang kangak! Ha? Ha? Ungak! Ha?
Huh?
Paso ako ah!
There's no more
Sarap!
now. There's no more now.
Sa ano to? Luto sa ano? Air fryer. Walang mangkika. Ingat! Huh. Kawawa yung tatay namin. Pumasok. Panggabi. Sarap. Ganda ng movie, Expendable. Tagal lang yan. Walang iba. Ano lang bisyo namin dito, guys. Tapos bukas, holiday kasi family day. So, nung Friday, wala rin pasok. So, 4 days ako nasa bahay. Good luck sa aking timbang. Baka 10 kilo na ang nag-gain ko. Nag-follow back sa akin si Lara and Marco. Thank you. Wala nang bawian yan, boss and madam, ha? Very humble. Sabi ko kanina, pagkagising ko, hindi ako kakain, mag-fasting din ba? Pagpunta ko sa kusina, meron steak, tsaka pizza. Agoy, hindi kaya. Madaling matintal, matimp. Hindi kaya, mahina ating pang... Hi! Hi!
Bye.
Bye. Said hi. Bye.
Bye.
Yun na guys, bye.